In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to air counter and deep Vulcan. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Air counter is a rare talent under Vigil Swordsman. You will be able to get this talent, and the description is as follows. You can now aerial attack to catch enemies who have recently jumped in the air above you as an anti-air attack with reduced light attack damage. Upon hitting the opponent, briefly hinder them. Plus 5 passive agility, it has a 5 seconds cooldown, and it has a prerequisite of 60 agility. So, as the description suggests, this will allow you to catch runners. So if people are jumping above you trying to climb up something, if you jump after them and you attack, you will be able to quickly dash towards them and give them a hit. This will hinder them and you will be able to catch up and drop them to the ground. So you will be able to make it go through parry, dodge, block, and counter, and all that you have to do is jump and follow behind them. You will give them an attack, usually you teleport towards them, and as long as you have this passive or talent active, you will be good to go. It has the cooldown that I mentioned before, and it has a prerequisite of 60 agility. But if you meet all of those requirements and you see the talent appear as you level up, you will be able to activate it. It is an interesting one to use, and like I mentioned, it is primarily used to make sure that runners don't get away. So if they start climbing and trying to get some distance from you, you will be able to dash towards them, jump, attack, and as long as they jumped before you did, you will be able to catch the enemies who have recently jumped. This will do anti-air attack with reduced light attack damage and hinder them to the ground upon attacking. It is a fun ability to use, and like I said, you only need to get the talent and 60 prerequisite agility. I hope I was able to help you on how to air counter deep Vulcan. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.